What's up guys? Today I just got a super quick video showing you how to replace your tail light or any of your tail light bulbs. I got a 2005 Silverado. Alright, so first we just want to open the tailgate, and then that is going to expose this screw and this screw down here. These are both just Phillips. So I just got a good screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and get these loosened. Alright, now with those two screws out, we can just go ahead and kind of wiggle this thing out of here. And then on this right side, these two things are, there's two holes right here, so you're gonna have to slide those out. And then now that we got this loosened, so you're gonna have 4 bulbs. And then the housing itself. So to disconnect any of these bulbs, you're just going to be twisting them clockwise to loosen them. So I have to replace this top one here. So I'm just gonna twist it. And then as you can see, it's got these little locking nuts on it. And it just twists out of there. So if you had to replace the housing, all you would do is just twist off the rest of the bulbs. So that would be the same procedure for these 3 and also for the bottom one, and that would leave this completely loose. And then for the new one, put everything back together. You're just gonna do the opposite. So you're just gonna have to line up so that they fit. I'm sorry, you twist those counterclockwise to remove them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bulb replaced. This is the brake light bulb, and we're just gonna wanna wiggle it out of there. There we go. Depending on how long it's been in there, they can be a little bit of a pain to get out. Now, I got my new bulbs. These ones are a 3157. Then I'm just gonna get that. Gonna get that one pushed in. There we go. You don't want to push too hard on the glass. So I just pushed on the black part. Then we're gonna get that locked in. And then we just gotta make sure these 2 pieces on the side go back into their holes. And then our screw holes should line up. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and push in on it once I tighten it so that it tightens it while the housing is tight. And just like that, you should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful, and good luck swapping yours out.